Voicetype AI is one of the most talked about AI software just released, and if you're looking to understand whether it's the right fit for you, this video is packed with crucial insights. Stick around as we dive into 7 things you absolutely need to know about Voicetype AI before making a decision. Now, before we dive in, you can actually try Voicetype AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on that. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to know about Voicetype AI is how it revolutionizes transcription and voice-to-text accuracy. If you're in any field where transcribing meetings, interviews, or any verbal content is part of your workflow, Voicetype AI claims to be faster and more accurate than most others out there. It's designed to understand not just clear speech, but also accents, background noise, and varying speaking speeds. One of the biggest standouts is its real-time transcription capabilities. You can upload audio files or even use it for live transcriptions, which is a huge game changer for people running webinars, interviews, or podcasts. Voicetype AI uses cutting-edge speech recognition technology to provide transcriptions almost instantly, which is not only a time saver but can also improve the productivity of teams. Moving on, customizability is a huge selling point. The software gives users the ability to adapt its transcription models based on industry-specific jargon. So whether you're in healthcare, law, or tech, Voicetype AI can tailor its transcriptions to ensure accuracy with complex terminology. This level of customization sets it apart from a lot of generic transcription tools that can't get those niche terms right. Now, let's talk about integration. If you're someone who relies heavily on other platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, or Slack, Voicetype AI integrates smoothly into these tools. This seamless connection makes it easy to manage your files and keep everything organized without switching between apps constantly. For anyone working in a team environment, these integrations are key. Another feature that stands out is its multilingual support. Voicetype AI isn't just limited to English, it supports a wide range of languages, making it an excellent choice for global teams or businesses that work in multiple regions. The transcription quality remains top-notch, even for languages with more complicated sentence structures. Speaking of quality, one of the things that sets Voicetype AI apart from its competition is the advanced editing tools it offers. After transcribing, you have access to a comprehensive suite of editing features. You can adjust the text, format it, or add timestamps to make sure everything is perfect before exporting. For anyone working with clients or in professional settings, this is a huge plus. A major benefit that people are talking about is affordability. While some similar tools can get pricey, Voicetype AI offers an accessible pricing model that's incredibly competitive for the features it provides. You get a lot of value for your investment, especially considering the speed, accuracy, and integration options it offers. Finally, let's touch on security. Voicetype AI uses state-of-the-art encryption protocols to ensure that your data is kept safe. Whether you're dealing with sensitive business conversations or personal information, you can rest assured that your transcriptions are protected. Now, if you're considering trying Voicetype AI, remember you can start with a free trial. Check out the first link in the description to get started. If you've been struggling with transcription or voice-to-text tasks, this might just be the tool that changes your workflow for the better. And before you go, I've also included links to my recommended AI software in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, these are the ones I've found truly valuable for digital marketers and businesses alike. Try them for free and see for yourself. That's it for this review. Let me know your thoughts on Voicetype AI in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video.